Sure, what is up, guys? Good afternoon. Just a normal day. We're just here in the apartment. We didn't go with the girls because they're going on a DFO again. Just here with Andy and Daddy having lunch. Another burger, cheeseburger. So let's eat. So yeah, I just picked up some burgers just right around Melissa's apartment, just right around the corner. And now just finished eating. Gonna go vacuum the place because there's nothing else to do aside from editing. And yeah, cleaning the place up and all, just tidying things. So yeah, let's enjoy this clean. So what is up, guys? It is now evening and we are having dinner here in Belfield, having a mushroom burger. I don't know, but just mushroom in there. It's another burger day, so yeah, gonna be really full meal. Show the boys. Ciao, ciao, ciao.